Back here with another Caspa update. All right, I left this mess on here. This is what we had on here yesterday. We were expecting this to come up around 12.7, 12.8. All right, we actually wicked up here to 12.95. All right, that's where it ended up stopping. Okay, and that's what we expected up here for a fifth wave. You can see that wick. Let me move that out of the way. Right up here. It came right up there, and now it's coming down some. All right, so might be expecting maybe a short ABC in here. Retest this area down here at 11.74 now as a support area since it took that out. I'm gonna get my arrow here. But this was resistance. That's what was holding us down here from the breakout, was this through here. And we finally broke up through that, which we were expecting. And we had a target up there of 12.79. Actually, I probably should have pulled this down a hair. Right about there. 12.79, 12.77. Right in there, but we ended up getting it. And we're going to take a look a little bit deeper in this chart here. Let me get this stuff off here in just a second. Bitcoin went up today, wicked up into that danger zone that I've been talking about. We're going to get back to the RSIs here in a second, guys. Look at this. See that 618 Fibonacci I've been talking about? Look at that. It hit up in there and getting a little bit of a knockback now. A lot of sell orders up there. Look at all the selling. Look at that big red candle right there. You had a big, if I put it on the hourly, he had a big buy in right here, right there, 7,000 Bitcoin, and that shot it up to 49,000 bucks. And then you had a couple big sell orders come in right there. There's 4.67 thousand and there's 4.7 thousand, which kind of knocked it right back down. But that's that 618 fib I've been talking about, guys, for so long now. All right, that's 618 702. Didn't really expect it to just blow right through there. I expected there would be some trouble. So hopefully Bitcoin can come down here. Let's get this off here. Let's take a look at some RSIs and stuff on this thing real quick. Got the daily just about ready to roll over on this thing. All right, 77.5 and a 78. All right, so getting very close there. Got the 12-hour trying to turn back up, 65 and a 63. You got the 8-hour bearish 40 and a 41, and you got the 4-hour 39 and a 36. It's bullish. All right, you got that 1-hour reset. Now, that thing's going to have to hold, kind of lost that 46,800. Remember we were talking about that for a breakout over here. All right, once it broke that level, it fired right up there, and now it's kind of getting knocked back a little bit. So like to see it regain that 46,800. If it doesn't, it could correct from here. We'll see what happens. I expect it to give it another push up here and see if it can bust back through it or not. All right, if we go over here to the Caspa addresses, look at this. Within the last 24 hours, boy oh boy, these whales, plus one whale within the last 24 hours. I have no idea why, one of them would have sold. That was yesterday. Within the past 24 hours, we had -1. And I have no idea. They lost a pile of money, though. That's for sure. But for the last 30 days, we have +3 whales and +3 humpbacks. And you can see a little bit of profit taking probably through the, I wouldn't exactly call them smaller wallets, but you get down, the octopus area, -6,000. It's 1,000 to 10,000 Caspa, kind of small holders. 10,000 to 100,000, you have -3,000, -5 within the last hour. But then you see a few adding within the last hour too. In the last 24 hours, +61 dolphin within the last 24 hours. So looking for Caspa to actually head higher here pretty soon. Let's go over the Caspalytics. Hope you're all having a great day. Snowing here where I'm at. Hash rate 144 petahash. Let's see down through here. Still at that one with 100 million plus, 10 million plus money-wise wallets, 15. and people that hold $1 million plus, 288 in Caspa. $1 million plus, 100,000 plus, 3,005, excuse me, 3,525, and then $10,000 plus, almost 20,000 people. But look at that, $1 to $100, 252,000 own $1 to $100, $1 to $99, 252,000. That makes up a large chunk of our wallet count. That 252. I think we're at around 360,000 wallets. So, or no, that would make it more than that. I apologize. 250, 350. That's 9, 450, 470. Almost 500,000 wallets, but that's half of them right there. 252,000. That's crazy. All right, let's take a look over here. Want to give a big shout out to the members, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Butte, Jason, Trapper, Lib, Ryan, Franny, Noted Trader, man, you're the best, bro. Thank you for so much of the help over there on Discord. I really appreciate it. Will, Falconeer, Benji, Jay, Host Thinking, Willhammer, Karat, Prepping for Beginners. All you guys have 2, 3, 4, 5 months as members. I can't thank you enough. I really mean that. Eyes Wide Open, FMK, Thomas Mongol, Kevin, Sominex, Blue Safari. And if you go over to the main page on YouTube, the main Crypto Blocks page, there's a banner on there that has the members on it, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't know that till the other day, but yeah, it has your names right on there. It's pretty cool. Christian, excuse me, Christian, Dez, Zozo. I apologize, I don't know how to pronounce that one. Mike, Will DeFi, Spinsy Productions, Wes, Ruben, Rowdy Man, Super Supporter. Thanks, Rowdy Man. I hit you up on Discord there, buddy. I'm not over there a whole lot. My time is just crunched so bad. But besides trying to get some trades in after I wake up and getting charts done and stuff, I got to get on Discord more. I really, really want to get over there. So Sunday I plan on trying to be out on there, most of the day, Saturday and Sunday, try to be over there. Ferme de la Plague, I apologize, I know that's French, I hope I got that right. Cuz for real, Frankie, Jumpman Crypto, Rated Rar, you just rejoined, thank you, bro. Miss Kendall, Jim P, another super supporter, thanks a lot, Jim, I really appreciate that. Anything I can help you out with or anything you need, please hit me up. Yanni, oh man, you told me how to pronounce that too. I apologize, man. We were just talking the other day too. You told me how to pronounce. That's Undead. Undead. That's right. Yeah, Undead. That's it. Love and Z, Daniel, Azirius, Juliet, Detroit Custom Painter. Good dude right here. Paul, Baja, Julian, Israel, Enoch, Robert Morse, Atolic, Matt, Rachel, Tom, Bob, Jamie, Stjopa, LB Crypto, Dylan, and Chris. Thank you very, very much, guys. You see a lot of these level 3 trading sign-ups. Thank you very much, guys. Anything I can help you with, just hit me up, please. But big shout out to you guys. You keep this channel going. Thank you so very, very, very much. All right, let's move over to the crypto bubbles here. Got a lot of popping out here going on. Look at these numbers. Look at Cardano. ENS is up 40%. Look at that. Ethereum name, it's up to $23 now. For the year, it's up, for the month, it's up 159%. So, Ethereum Classic, boy, I held that for a long time, and it just didn't do anything. And then, that was the last bull run, and, geez, it just, I don't know. This thing, I had big hopes for it, but, Gala, love Gala. There's Caspa right there. Look at the $2.73 billion market cap, 76 million in volume. All right, for the week we're up 9.8%. For the day we're up 7.5%. All right, so a lot of stuff over here looking really good. For the week, That pulled a lot of us out of the hole. There's Caspa plus 9.8. And for the hour, a little bit of corrections out there. Nothing, no big deal. Got a lot of RSIs getting up there. But if we look at there's for the year. Look at this. This is the top 100. Look at that number. 1897. Wow. That's incredible. This thing is just a beast. It really is. Injective. I can't believe Injective actually outperformed it for the year, but it did 26x and roughly a 19x. So, God, you love them numbers. Don't you wish it was just easy to find these ones, them ones that'll 100x your money or whatever. It's really difficult finding them. You almost got to go after, of course, these are the top 100s are always safe bets, 100%, but you almost got to go to that top 1,000 and look at this. That's for the year. But for the day, you got to pick and weed through them here. Look at this thing is up 600% for the year. 60% for the day, $7 million market caps. Them are the ones there, and I have that in my trading videos. I teach you how to go through and pick some of these out. Man, these are the ones, $8 million market caps. 10x puts it at an $80 million market cap. But you got to pick the right ones. There's thousands of cryptos, literally thousands of them. That's the top 1,000, the top 900. PVX. I've heard of this. I actually have Paribus. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this thing. Actually, I am going to get me a bag of this. I wish I would have got it down here. For the year, it's up 100%. That's it. I've heard pretty good stuff about this. Not financial advice. PBX though, I don't know. I've heard some good stuff out there about it. Let's head over here to the charts, guys. All right, so Bitcoin, keep an eye on that 46,800 range. Needs to retake that area. All right, let's go back over to Caspa. Oh, wait a second. I got to show you this. Look at this. I almost forgot. Look at Bitcoin dominance. Look at that plunge. That thing that's why these altcoins are just running rampant. This is on the day. These are daily candles. Look at this thing now. I'm expecting right around this 618 or 702 or 786. One of that right through this area where it's probably going to bounce. All right. And we'll see what happens here. But, a lot of the time, with cryptos or whatever, a lot of you guys know, this thing will either come down and come back and retest this area as resistance now and then roll over further and do an ABC or we'll see what happens here. But that daily's rolling over. All right, we got the 12-hour just about reset, got a green 12-hour candle, and the 8-hour is at the bottom there. So this thing looks like it's going to have a little bit of a bounce back up. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it could be doing 5 waves down here. That looks exactly like 5 waves to me. Let me grab this real quick here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. As long as it doesn't come higher than this here, and a 5th wave down. And that should probably be the correction, and this thing will more likely bounce. But good to see that. That's what we wanted to see out of Bitcoin dominance. Wanted to see a big drop on that thing. All right, let's head to Caspa now. I apologize. I wanted to show you guys that because I thought it was huge. Dow Jones is down. No big deal. 9. The DXY on the daily. Look at this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's that 5 waves down there, and that thing is starting to take off. The daily is at the top, but you got the weekly and the monthly reset. Okay, there they are. You got the weekly and the monthly at the bottom. You can see the 5 waves down there, though. See it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and then it starts bouncing. That's what it did there. All right, let's look at Caspa. I apologize, guys. I like to show you guys the stuff like that. You know, makes you better traders when you notice. And if you guys want to sign up for the level 3 trading membership, it's $14.99. I would appreciate it very, very much, guys. Helps the channel out a lot. So just go over and check that out. We also have just just a regular 99 cents a month. Get you into Discord. Just got a Discord set up a couple weeks ago. Some guys helped me out, some members, and got that all set up. So a lot of good guys over there. Noted Trader is over there a lot. He's a really good guy. Really good guy. All right, let's look here. We had this is a 4-hour chart. Boy, we had a nice $38 million buy right there. Let's go into daily. For the day, 90 million in volume. All right, let's get this off here. We expected this here. You know, if you go in on a, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up right there. All right, so I would expect just like what's going on here. All right, we got the 4-hour right at the top here. We got the 8-hour at a 93 and a 91 about to roll over here. Got the 12-hour at a 100 and an 88. And we got our daily still bullish, an 82 and a 66. All right, and if we bring up this RSI breakout here, look at that thing. Beautiful, perfect. Bounced right off there, retested it as support. That's what you like to see in a perfect breakout, okay? Right here. Breakout, retest, go. Just like that. That's beautiful. That's perfect. All right, so expecting Caspa to go higher here for sure with the weeklies at a 20 and a 17. But in the small midterm, I would expect probably an ABC correction in here. Now let's take a look. Looks like it might be doing it now. If we go from the swing high to the swing low, I'd be looking for a 702 to come in here up at 12.6. And then probably a C leg down. Now, if that comes up to that 12.6, let's mark this here once. All right, if that comes up to 12.6 and we get our B leg up to there, measure this out. Then our C leg would mean a correction down to about 11.59, 11.6. All right, that's what that would look like there. So we're going to keep a tight eye on this. The 1 hour right up here at 12.6. Call it 12.65. If you don't see a breakthrough there, then this thing is more than likely doing this. You got your A leg down, your B leg up here to that 12.6 area, and then your C leg correction. All right, and then that should complete that correction, and then we should be giving this 13 cents another shot here. But Caspa looks absolutely fine. In fact, as soon as it broke through that 11.8, look at that. We said that yesterday. This is on the hourly. And as soon as it got through there, boom, this thing just fired right up there. So it's looking fine. I would expect a short-term correction here and then a march back up. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much, everybody. You're the best, and I'll talk to you soon.